Shortly after leaving TTX, I was given the opportunity to work on a project as a railroad engineering consultant for the Western Fuels computerized braking pilot project on the Escalante Western Railroad near Pruitt, New Mexico. The objective for this project was to modify the locomotives and the freight cars to incorporate an electronically computerized controlled pneumatic braking system and replace the conventional air brakes on the locomotive. This provides many opportunities for improved train operations, lower wheel wear, shorter braking distances, and improved safety. Wheel defects are very common from standard pneumatic braking practices, and through our new electronic controlled system, we hope to improve this. Here you see some bad wheels, and this is the tread we were looking for. The project started by modifying the electrical wiring on the locomotive and incorporating the new computer cabinets and interfaces to the existing pneumatic braking. Once these modifications were made to the locomotive, we were able to incorporate a new computerized control panel which the engineer would be able to use in place of his standard air brake levers. Here you see the new control panel on top of the control stand. Once the locomotives were wired, it was necessary to start wiring the entire length of the 52-car consist. This involved running wires down the brake pipe. It involved putting these computer control boxes in place of the existing freight car control valves. And it took quite a while to figure out how we were going to wire it, how we were going to run it, how it was going to be able to survive in the environment. But it all worked out real well, and the equipment performed admirably. Here's a shot of the new controlled brake valve. The final car wired and the rear end device attached, it was time to get our train together and start running that empty train up to the mine, loading the train, and then testing our brake system on the long 1.2% downhill grade. We made very many runs testing our equipment in different operating weather conditions, different speeds, different timing events to see how our shorter stopping distances could be achieved. It was very exciting and a project that was a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity for a railroader like myself to actually get his hands dirty, working with the equipment, installing the equipment, operating the locomotive, and seeing the benefits of the system. It worked as planned, provided the improvements in train operations that we had hoped for, and it was a great experience and one that not too many people ever get a chance to have. I was very sorry when the project ended because I wasn't able to run my trains anymore, but life goes on. If you look closely, you'll be able to see that a lot of the features that I want to incorporate into my model railroad system will be based on my experience that I got at this railroad. The loading operations, the unloading at the rotary dumper, all is going to help me when I design and build my new layout. It won't be this railroad that I'm modeling, but a lot of the aspects of what I learned here I will try to incorporate into my layout.